my name is Cheryl Traxler, and I live on an island in Alaska. And we do have extreme temperatures in Alaska, like in Dead Horse, it's negative 40 degrees today. But on my island, it's 30 degrees. So that's a 70-degree difference. And I tell you what, it is beautiful. I do love photography. As you can see, I can't help be outside because I just love it so much. The outdoors, I do. And you can see my view from my back deck. I also wanted to share with you that I've been able to take pictures of bears and eagles and moose, and I love it. And I wanted to give you the chance to view a little clip I took on my other home in my back deck of two baby moose there with their mom. It is so cute. It's only a minute and 18 seconds, so let's let you see it next. And I am a granny. I have 7 wonderful grandkids that I adore, enjoy being with and spending time. Last week, actually, I was seeing 6 of them, so I'm really blessed to be able to do that. And because I work from home, I have a flexible schedule, so I can do this. And I do love to spend time with family, and I'm so excited because next month I'm actually going to Florida, so it'll be quite a change from this gorgeous winter wonderland here. But I will be going to Florida, doing more videos, and of course I'll be doing them outdoors because I absolutely love it. So I just wanted to give you a little overview of what I'm all about and what I love and what I do. And now I want to talk to you about the Impact Mailing Club and the levels that you can join at. Okay, now let's talk about levels. Anybody can get in because we have a level for everyone, and this is a one-time payment and there's no monthly fees, which is one reason why I like it so much. So let's start with the Emerald level. It's $100 to get into the Emerald level, and you send 2 books of stamps, and you get 100 postal leads, and you get the electronic welcome kit at the Emerald level. So, and all the reseller letters and all the stuff you need. And then there's the Ruby level for $250, 2 books of stamps. You get 300 leads, and you also get a postcard template and reseller letter, and it is also an electronic welcome kit. So whatever email you use to sign up, that's where you'll get your info from. So that's pretty cool. You get it pretty quick. That way, once your payment has been received. Okay, now we have the Sapphire level, where you get 400 leads. It costs you $500 and 4 books of stamps, and you actually get a physical welcome kit in the mail when you get in at this level. And everything that is included in the others is also, of course, included in your Sapphire level. And then your next level is your Diamond level, which you get 1,000 peel and stick labels, and it costs you $2,000 to get into the Diamond level. And then the last level is a double diamond, which is 4,000. So you see there's something here for everybody. And you get 2,000 peel and stick labels. And this is also a physical kit that is mailed directly to you. So those are the levels. And in whatever level you're comfortable getting in at, whatever works for you, don't wait, just get in. Wow, I'm inside. It was getting too dark. I couldn't do any more videos outside, so I'm in the house. And I want to tell you about what I like about the Impact Mailing Club. And for one thing, I do love the fact that there's only a one-time cost, so you don't have monthly fees, which is awesome. So you can do it at, you know, no monthly fees, which is, and the other thing I like too is the fact that we get stamps in the mail, because obviously you need stamps to mail. So that's kind of cool that we have that going on too. And also it's a 2-tier program, so it leverages income for you. So those that are in with you will also get income from them. So that's pretty cool too for a family, and to have people working, and that helps you too. I like that so much about that. And the last thing that I love so much about the Impact Mailing Club is we have an incredible support team. Not part of the Impact Mailing Club, although they're great and their service and customer service and what they have is awesome. But we have a support team that creates a customized letter for you, supports you in every aspect of your business here, and that way, you know, you won't make mistakes because they tell you exactly what to do and what not to do. So that is really cool and very good for your future to have such support. And that is really the main thing I love about it, because the support is incredible, and we work together, and we have all kinds of good things going on that we help each other, and you can't beat that. You really can't. You're not alone. You're definitely not alone. You've got an incredible support group, and you know, they're there for you 24/7, and we're doing this for like 90 days or more, and then we'll start it again. So it's just ongoing, and you definitely want to be in part of that, because there's nothing better than having a great support team on your side to help you when you do this, whether you're new or, you know, you're coming back to it or whatever you're doing. I really advise you to go ahead and go to the link so you can see the form that breaks it down for you, what you can do. And also the page gives you a little more information. We have some testimonials on there, and it gives you some more information that you can get there as well, so you understand what you're looking at, and you can jump on board. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Don't miss out. Oops, hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I wanted to tell you something really important. So here is my Facebook page, you can see, and you can find me by hitting share.traxler, and my page will come up. And there I am in Homer, Alaska, right there with the mountains, gorgeous mountains. So anyway, reason why I want you to connect with me on Facebook is because I can put you in our Impact Mailing group. I can add you to our Impact Mailing Club group, and then you can see what's going on. You can hear from other people, and you could check it out and ask questions. And that's really going to be helpful for you to just be in that hive of our group and be able to check it out. So go to my Facebook page and just send me a message, and I can add you to the group. It's that simple. And then you can be part of what everybody's doing and what they're saying, and you can see. And that's really good for you. So go ahead and hit me up on Facebook. Let's connect and get you right in that group. So thanks.